Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete books from your Audible library on computer and mobile. So what you need to do is actually go on to the Amazon account that your Audible is linked to, because strangely enough you can't do this through Audible itself. So once you've logged into your Amazon account, go over to your account section and then go down here until you find Manage Your Content and Devices. Click in there. And now we can see digital content. We've basically got books here, audiobooks. These books are actually just Kindle ones, but the audiobooks you can click in here. And then from there, you can search from newest to oldest or title A to Z or oldest to newest, authors. And actually, when you're ready, select the audiobook. Let's just say it was this one right here that I wanted to delete. You could come over here to this button, press delete. And then from there it says, are you sure that you want to delete Anyone Can Do from your library? When you press yes, delete permanently, that yellow button, that will completely remove and delete this audiobook from your account. And you will not be able to access that book anymore in your Audible account. So guys, I've transferred over to my iPhone and I'm going to show you how to delete audiobooks from your Audible account while on your mobile device. So what I would recommend doing is going to an internet browser. In the case of me using this iPhone, I'm going to sign into my Amazon account on Safari. So I've done that now, and basically what I'd recommend doing from there is going down to the bottom left, this button, click in there, and then the bottom right 3 dots button. And what we can see is the third option down, it says request desktop website. Press in there. And after we press that home button, we get access to the desktop version of Amazon. So this is a lot easier to actually work than the mobile version, because we have very, very limited options on the mobile site version of Audible and Amazon. So once you're on the desktop version, come over here to the top right. I'm going to zoom in a little bit and come to this section that says Hello Andrew. Click in there. And then now we can see this section that says Manage Your Content and Devices. Click in there. And then now it says digital content, books, audiobooks, go for the audiobooks one. And now we can see all of the audiobooks that are linked to our Audible account, because everything is linked to Amazon as well. And then from there, once you actually have selected the audiobook that you wish to delete from your library, you have to go in. Let's just say it's this one right here. Select the tick box, and then on the right hand side, click delete. And then it says, are you sure you want to delete this? Basically, you have to press the yellow yes, delete permanently button, and that's going to completely remove this audiobook from your account. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.